Hi guys, today an unboxing outdoors. Oh, can you see all these ants here? It's a huge crowd of them. Hopefully they won't walk over the lens. Well, today we've got a package from AliExpress sent via Kainao. So I believe there should be some more items in one package. Well, let's just take a look inside. Exactly, we've got 4 packages inside. Another puppet toy. A, B, C, D up to Z, and 1 to 5 and 6. Okay, of course, all the things I'm showing you, you'll find the links below. Now this my daughter really loves. She really wanted this, and it's called, I don't know what it's called, but apparently the kids have a name for all of these toys. So similar to the puppet toy, we can just press this from one side to the other. I don't know why the kids get so excited about these toys, but apparently this is the top fad right now. This is a 2-in-1, a puppet, but as well as a case for an iPhone 5. I also got an iPhone 7 case on the way. So passing this over to my daughter. She'll be really happy having both a toy and the phone. And with a design like this, hopefully it'll be excellent protection in case of any fall. Well, it should be. There's a huge edge here. The back has these, what do you call them? Dimples, pimples. Well, we'll see. And last but not least, looking at the packaging, I believe this should be protective glass for my iPhone. Okay, exactly as suspected. Protective glass for my iPhone Pro Max. Although I just installed another glass on my phone, so this will be a spare one for the future. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.